This is a co-challenge for white. Black's eye space is not very big, but it's positioned very well, and the shape is quite resilient. If white tries something like this, it will fail, because black will be able to capture 3 of white's stones this way. And this will guarantee at least 1 real eye here at C19. And of course, these 3 stones on the side will create a real eye here at the 1-1 point. This will fail as well. This should be pretty obvious. And things like this will also fail. So you should think about this move first. That's a legitimate contender. If black plays here, then you're able to pull back number 1, and this will be a fake eye. And white will be able to kill black this way. So number 2 for black is not okay. And if black plays here, white can extend, threatening to cut black. So black must connect here, but now white just needs to reduce black's eye space and fill in here. This will be a pyramid 4 shape in the end. So black will be dead this way as well. So number 2 here also fails. So black's strongest response now is this move right here. And now it seems like white can play here and make a ko. But this is not exactly right. Now black can still increase eye space like this. White cannot escape with number 5 because black can Atari here, then white will have to connect here. And this is way too much eye space for black. And if white throws in now, black can still capture white like this. So number 3 is a little premature. And that's why you think number 3 should be here. If black blocks now, then white can play this move, and then we'll have this ko, with white capturing first, which could be a correct sequence. However, after the 1 and 2 exchange, black can also capture number 1 like this, and start a ko this way. And this is the best ko for black to play, and black capturing first. And if black wins, black gets to capture these 2 stones as well. So this is a good variation for black, even though it's a ko. But it's not optimal for white. The optimal result for white is actually to play this band first. Now black cannot play here, because black will die this way. White will destroy the eye here on the 1-1 point, and this will not be a real eye. So number 2 will lead to black's death. Number 2 can only block here. And now let's go back to this clamping move on the first line, and this 2-1 point at number 5. Now black's only hope is to start this ko. Otherwise, black will die. This will be back to one of the previous variations where white will eventually be able to make a pyramid 4 shape here at the 2-3 point. So black's only hope is to make a ko, and white will happily capture this ko first. So this is the optimal result for white, capturing this ko first. And if black wins, you can only capture here instead of capturing extra stones here at A16, like the previous ko pattern. So overall, this is not super complicated. You should be able to find number 3 after trying the conventional moves that do not work. But then you should also discover number 1 here. Playing this exchange first will actually benefit white in this ko fight. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.